In this tutorial, we will show you how to redact in Acrobat. Suppose you have to share a document with people, and the document contains personal information, for example, email addresses, which you do not want to share. In Acrobat, you can hide certain content in the document. To do that, you will have to use the Redact feature. For that, move to the Tools pane and click on the Protection tab. From the drop-down menu, select Mark for Redaction. Now move the cursor and select the content in the document which you want to protect. Once done, the text will be covered with a border. If you hover over the text now, you can preview how the document will look after you apply redaction. Next, click on the Redaction Properties option. Here you can alter the settings according to your requirements. Let's change the redacted area fill color to white. Now when you hover over the redacted text, it will fill the selection with white color. You can redact images as well in a similar way, and after you are done, click on the Apply Redaction button located towards the right side. If you are working on a large document, you can click on the Search and Remove Text option to search for the text. A window will open towards the left side of your screen, and from there you can search for dates, email addresses, card numbers, etc. After the search is complete, you can redact the text according to your requirements. If you want to revert any changes made to the document, click on the File menu and select the Revert option.